Welcome to RSign, e-signatures made simple. RSign, RPost web-based e-signature service, is the easiest and most effective way to prepare and manage documents and obtain legal electronic signatures. Here's how it works. Once you're logged in, you're greeted by a dashboard that displays a real-time overview of your recently sent documents waiting for completion, documents that are about to expire, and all your signed and completed documents. Your dashboard is also your starting point to send documents and agreements to be signed and executed. Let's send a document to be signed now. Click Send. On the left are your sending options. You can preset when a document expires, set when reminder emails will automatically be sent if a document sent for signature is outstanding, and establish security access codes, just to name a few. Now add the recipient whose sign-off or acceptance you require. Adding additional signers is easy, and you can also set the order of whose signature is needed sequentially. Next, attach a file or choose one of your saved templates. I'll cover templates in a bit, so here I'll select Document. RSign makes it easy to access your files wherever you keep them stored. Add your message and click Next. Here's where we prepare the document to ensure the recipient completes it properly. Preparing is intuitive and easy. Simply choose the type of input field that's needed and drag it to the location you need the signer to complete. Here you can add any input rules that you may also require. When you're done preparing the document, click Send. You'll be redirected back to your management portal where you can see that it's now been sent. You will also receive an email which serves as a registered receipt record for certified proof of delivery, content, and time, with a verifiable forensic audit trail of the entire e-sign transaction. Now let's look at what the recipient receives. The document you send arrives right in their email inbox. When they open the email, the markings clearly display its importance and that there's a document ready for viewing and awaiting a signature and acceptance. Once they click View and Sign Document, they're directed to your prepped and ready web-hosted document. Notice the checklist to the left. This ensures everything that needs to be signed is and guides the signer to the next field to complete. Once they've completed a field, the corresponding checkbox turns green, signifying that requirement has been completed. Signers even have the choice on how they want their scripted signature to look, or they can draw their name to indicate their signature. When all the checkboxes are green, the document is complete and it can now be returned. The signer clicks Submit to return the fully completed document. The sender and all signers are notified via email that the document is now fully executed. Click View Document to download the automatically converted PDF document, which includes an RSign certificate to increase the evidential weight of the e-sign record for court-admissible authentication. Included is the audit log and each party's name, email, signature, IP address, server logs, and other identification and forensic transaction information. You will also find the now fully executed document when you next check into your RSign dashboard under the Manage tab. Simply click Signed Doc to download. Since we're back in our RSign dashboard, now is a good time to go over creating templates. Because the majority of sent documents are standardized or may need only a few minor updates each time you send for sign-off, RSign gives you and your team the ability to save, reuse, and share document templates so you don't have to prepare the same document each and every time you need to send it. And this is a huge time saver. Click Create Template to craft a new one. Give it a name and description and set any frequently used options. Then attach the file you want to make into a template and click Next. Just like before, simply click and drag the required fields into place and set the options. Here are a few other options I didn't show before. You can create a drop-down box, place a checkbox anywhere on the document, add new text not already on the document, and so on. When you're done, click Save. The next time you send a document out to be executed, instead of choosing to attach a document like we did before, select Template here instead. Your previously saved templates display for you to choose from, and you simply select the one you need executed. Everything else is the same as before. Click Next. If you have no updates to make, you're ready to send. If you need to make an update or two, you can easily do that here as well. When you're ready, click Send. It's that easy. And only RSign provides a timestamp record of precisely what message content was in fact sent, received, and signed off. Important because most disputes around who agreed to what and when happen years after agreements were struck. RSign. E-signatures made simple.